Alright, so here I'm at Newark in the President's Club. It's a pretty busy day in the ramp. It's like a 767-400 here. There are lines, our 777's back there. There's all these Continental planes, and then there's one United plane here. United 767, 300, I guess. And it is dirty. Dirty there, dirty there. The planes are much cleaner. There you have it. I don't think it's actually cleared up quite a bit from earlier today. Not as hazy as there is in New York. Right there. No, that's in Newark. Well, that's in Newark right there. Here's Newark ramp, seen from the President's Club. It's a United plane. It's kind of dirty. Dirtier than the Continental planes. There's a Continental 777 behind it. A Continental 767. And more Continental planes. So a bunch of Continental planes and one United plane. My 777 will be at this gate 102. So it's on the when my plane shows up. It's actually a nice day today. You guys should see pretty far because of the overcast. And Continental hangar back there. There's another Continental hangar. Just a typical ramp on all the Continental equipment out here. We're on Continental's ramp in Newark. No. I got excited. That's not my plane to Houston. I wish they'd hurry up and bring my plane to Houston. I don't want to spend the night there again like I had to before. The plane out here was late. I thought that was our plane. I thought it was the 767. 767-400. Hopefully my plane will show up after this. Another Continental aircraft being towed into the gate.
Okay, good luck. Oh, okay, bye.
They really don't have much room here at this airport. It is so tight. I'm in the President's Club, by the way. Just got back from Hong Kong. I'm ready to go home and go to bed. I am so tired. That was a very long flight. You know, you have to go to Houston and then to Dallas. Because I don't fly to DFW. Or at least I try not to ever fly to DFW. And another Continental plane is pushing back at the same time. I see a bunch of Continental planes. So there are Continental hides all their wide bodies because they sure aren't in Houston. It's another 777 out there. Or 764. I can't tell from here. There's one United plane. There's another United CRJ out there. Yep. I bet you that's a flight to Hong Kong that's leaving. This is the 777. So that looks like the gate they use for Hong Kong. Yeah, pretty much. I'm pretty sure that's a flight to Hong Kong that's leaving right there. I hope they bring my plane soon. I want to leave them behind. it's about to set. It looks really pretty back there. Purplish color. Alrighty guys, that's about enough of the ramp as I'm taking because I need to go need some right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the ramp operations here at Newark. Continental 777. I messed that one up, guys. Sorry about that. I was recorded, but I took the batteries out too soon, so it didn't save. But there's our plane, Newark.